Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. Let's get started. So today we will be seeing about if statement and if statement latches. So let's see. So as you can see, here they have built a mux in two ways. First is our traditional way using if condition, and second one is only one line statement, that is using ternary operator or conditional operator. So let's see how we can write this. So here they have given the problem statement 2:1 mux. Choose if both select line 1 and B are true, choose B, otherwise choose A. So we have to do it two times, one for using always block and other one using ternary operator or conditional operator. So let's see. So we will be starting with the ternary operator. So in ternary operator, first we have to declare the condition. So our condition is if select B1 and select B2 are 1 1, then output will be B, or else the output will be A. So condition is equal to 1. So we have to write the question mark. Question mark will decide which output to be fetched. So here x will be our true output, which matches the condition, and y will be other output, which doesn't match the condition. Now we will be seeing about the always block. Here we are using if condition. If select B1 and select B2 equal to 1, the output will be 1. That is output is equal to B, then else B always will be our A. And let's submit the code. So the compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success, and you can go through the timing diagrams for the selected test cases. So let's move on to the next one. So here they have given us a common source of errors in if condition. How to avoid making latches. Latches is something which stores the information. See, the behavior of keeping outputs unchanged means the current state need to be remembered and thus produce a latch. So this is the definition of latch, you can say. So we have to see this experiment. The following code contains incorrect behavior that creates a latch. Fix the bug so that we will shut off your computer only if it's really overrated and stop driving if you are arrived at the destination. So as you can see, the code is correct. Just we have to avoid the latches, we have to add else statement in that. So here also we will be doing the same thing. Else equal to 0. So let's submit the code. So there is an error without begin. Oh, so here we have forgot to write the begin. So compilation process has been started. As you can see, the status is success, and these are the timing diagrams. So in the next session we will be seeing about the always case 1 and always case 2 and always case z.